IndusInd Bank's board has approved a fundraise of 30,000 crore rupees. The move is anticipated to provide confidence to investors and improve the bank's balance sheet. Shares of the private lender were under pressure in trade today. Ritu joins us now with more. Ritu, take us through the bank's mega fundraise proposal and what it will mean.
Well, yes, the board of IndusInd Bank has approved a fundraise of up to 30,000 crore rupees, which is going to be subject to shareholder and regulatory approvals. Now, this includes up to 20,000 crores through debt securities, through private placements, and an additional 10,000 crore rupees through equity instruments like QIP, GDR or EDR. Now, importantly, the RBI has also cleared an amendment to the bank's Articles of Association, which will allow the promoter group to nominate up to 2 non-executive, non-independent directors to the board of IndusInd Bank. Now, remember, even currently, promoters Hindujas group already have 1 representative on the board, which is Sudeep Basu, and this amendment will now allow them to have up to 2 representatives. Now, IndusInd Bank already maintains a healthy CET1 ratio of 15.1% and overall capital adequacy of 16.24%. So this capital raise is really being positioned not out of necessity as much as a strategic move. And analysts on the street are calling it confidence capital, which is aimed at reassuring investors really, especially following the prior asset write-offs and the current accounting issues that the bank is grappling with. Now, after this fundraise, the CET1 ratio is expected to rise to about 17.5%, which will imply a 240 basis point capital accretion. Now, if the bank does go ahead with this equity fundraise, we understand the promoter group, which currently holds about 15% stake in the bank, may also participate to avoid their stake dilution, as they have previously indicated in statements and even in their interviews to us. And this capital infusion by the promoters could also give a positive signal to the street.
Ritu, many